Going on YouTube, I am back with another video. We're actually at the drag strip, but we are at Mopars at the Rock Modern Street Hemi Shootout. We're at the car show, so I'm gonna show you a bunch of the cars. We got some big Whipple, we have some Palmer, Ghoul package cars down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through all the cars. If you see your car, leave a comment, let me know. We'll go from there. We have a big Whipple 3.0 Hellcat. Nice B5 blue scat pack. I'm biased. G's is better just because it's Pro Charge. It's one of my favorite color that Dodge made that they don't make anymore. Got a couple scat packs. But then this 426. You see the big Whipple underneath. Makes 912 wheel horsepower. Got another shaker scat pack. Got a few shaker scat packs out here today. Got a purple Hellcat. If I did a Hellcat again, it'd be purple or black with the brass monkey wheels. That's the original look for me. Got another Hellcat. Wide body. I love the gray. The Destroyer gray really does it. It's the closest thing you can get to Nardo gray from factory. And some of the ways you know if it's an older Hellcat, or I don't want to use the term original like it's different, but this wheel style came on the 15 to 17, so that's kind of how you can tell. And of course the wide body is a little bit newer, 2021 and so forth, or 2020. But this here is crazy. It's bagged. Got some intense wheels. You can see the purple on the inner half of the wheel and the wheel well. Super crazy. Then a true SRT 392. Obviously you can see the front grille. Wide body Hellcat in that plum crazy. Another wide body, maybe a last call based on the stripes, but I'm not 100% sure. And we have a Hellcat on 22s. But again, we are at street car takeover. Look at me talking crazy. But we have a few older body style Chargers here at the Rockingham, the Rock. A couple of scat packs. It's one of my favorite yellows too on the older body style Chargers was the yellow. I love the lip on this. Crazy lip. We got a nice VFC Performance wheel on the rear. Check them out, man. Shout out VFC Performance. Carbon hood. Check out the carbon hood on that. It's pretty crazy. So we got two Palmer Performance. I believe both of them are Ghoul packages. You can see another Ghoul package, and that's actually the owner right here, Nate. I just met him. I'll come back to him in a second. Then we have a few more on 24s, maybe 26s Chargers. Then we have a Super B, which I'm gonna stop at for a minute. So if you guys know anything about the Super B, right, it is the equivalent to the 1320 just in Charger form. They came in the plum crazy purple, and they have the demon wheels all the way around. Now obviously he has front skinnies because he was racing earlier, but if I ever went to a Charger, this is the only Charger I would get, because if you get anything to race, you get a narrow body Hellcat, and that's what it is. As you can see, we got another Hellcat wrapped, and what you didn't peep was the artwork underneath. Pretty intense, pretty crazy. And they got a few old schools, but I'm gonna go check out some of the trucks, especially that burgundy truck right there, after we go talk to Nate. I'm actually looking to buy a truck. Now, I'm not looking to get a crazy truck like this. I'm looking to get a truck to be able to haul my car. But this is one of the craziest burgundy paint matched Rams 3500s that I've ever seen. Let me back up the camera so you can see how big this is. This is crazy. Drop hitch is intense. Yeah, they got some big trucks. This is a pretty sick build. Shout out to 5G John B. crazy build.